Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to my frugality channel, Skint Living UK. Sorry about all the slurpy noises. My dog's having a dinner at the moment, so she's just much because I've been out all afternoon shopping at Asda, Home Bargains, Iceland and my local Chandler's type shop. I've also been thrifting, so I'm absolutely shattered. I've been to Barnardo's and picked up some wallpaper for my son's bedroom, which I'm about to start decorating. I can't decorate it at the moment because our new sink, toilet and bath's in there, but the plumber's coming out on Saturday to install them. I tiled the bathroom myself, but I can't do the pipe work because my hands are full of arthritis, so I'm just like, there's just no way. I used to be able to do plumbing, but I can't anymore. So my son's currently ensconced in the living room, and once the plumbing stuff's been removed out that middle bedroom, I can start decorating it. So originally I bought this wallpaper for the chimney breast online for $7.99 free post. It's got like pictures of foxes, glasses, trees, boats, stags and things like that, because I thought my son would like it. Globes, clocks, because his bedroom's going to look sort of like a study because his desk, and he's got a red leather Chesterfield wing chair that's going up there. So I thought, oh, we'll make it look like a study, but he said it's a bit much, do you think? So I said I'll buy some cheapy canvases and I'll put some of this wallpaper over the canvases, and that'll be the art for the bedroom, so the wallpaper isn't going to waste. And I might frame up some elements of it, so like a boat and things like that, a clock, the globe, some books, just to make it more interesting, because the walls are going to be mostly plain except for the chimney breast in the house. We've got we live in a house that was built in 1908, so it's well over 100 years old, Edwardian. So on the chimney breast, where there's no longer a fireplace, I'm going to put this wallpaper. So I only needed one roll, and it looks like books. Looks like a library. So I thought, oh yeah, so it's grey and brown, so it'll tie in with the theme, wood. And it was £3 in Barnardo's. So that's all I bought from Barnardo's this week. I've also been to my local charity shop and I bought all this stuff here, and it come to £6, because it's usually cheaper if you buy a few things all at once. I've been looking for a cafetiere over the week because I keep breaking them because I'm clumsy. Because I'm left-handed, I've always been clumsy, and I keep breaking them on the spout or dropping them because I'm just my hand, like I said, my hands are wrecked. So I've been looking for a second-hand cafetiere because I'm fed up buying new ones, because like this one was £10 in Asda, and I'm thinking I'm throwing my money away. So I've bought a second-hand one, so I'll probably I'll probably see if the old strainer off this one, because it's new, fits in there, and then the glass and the jug can go in the recycling. So that was in my £6 bundle. I know Halloween is over, but I have a black cat and she's got white whiskers, so when I seen this I thought, yeah, I'm getting that. So that'll go in the little box bedroom, the tiny bedroom, because I just think it's really sweet, and it reminds me of my cat pal. So that'll be going in there. And I found this little box which I thought was so sweet, with little chickens and eggs on it, and I just thought that is just lovely. So this will go in here in the kitchen, because I'm trying to make my kitchen look cottagey, even though I live in a terraced house. Like, I've got a plate rack, hanging utensils, I've got a hanging clothes area, got a Belfast sink, the doors in the other room, because I've got the plumber coming out. When he comes out on Saturday, he's going to be fitting a new tap, because our tap is trashed. And I've got a nice copper one I bought. I made a skirt curtain for the washing machine, so it sort of hides it and makes the curtain look like a feature. I've bought all second-hand storage jars and stuff. I've made this shelf from leftover skirting board and tongue and groove, and recently put this scallopy trim on. Got plants everywhere. And I've got a little pine table around one, and I'm about to build a bench here, storage bench to sit on, extra seating. Got tongue and groove on the walls. Got a dresser, and a recent addition was my pantry. If you've not seen it, I'll give you a little look-see. And as you can see, I've got my little appliances here all in one place now. So it's out the way. Storage jars, and this is my little Christmas stash. I've been a few bits over the last couple of weeks. Put some sticky back plastic on the back of the door, hung the iron border. That's also got scallopy trim on, because this is where I just store junk. Matt's got a big tub of doggy biscuits, and behind the little curtain I made from scrap fabric is another tub where it's got rice and pasta, that sort of thing in it. And I've just got enough room to stick the hoover in here out the way as well. So I'm absolutely made up with my pantry. And my dresser, I built the bottom half myself, and I store tins and spices in this, as you can see, and lots of jars. So when I get round to it, I'm going to put some tongue and groove on the back of this, because I don't like the back. So just to make it more cottagey. So I'm getting there now. So yeah, I've gone off on a tangent. Yeah, so I got myself two jumpers and a sweatshirt in my little £6 bundle. This is a Marks and Spencer sweatshirt. So it's like an ombre effect. So they'll go get hand washed. And I think it's mostly cotton it's made of. What's it say? I think it was mostly cotton. Yeah, I can't tell. The writing's too small on that one. This pretty jumper here, another Marks and Spencer one. Included in my bundle with knitted cables. And I got this because it's always being Marksy, so you know it's good quality. It's mostly lamb's wool. It's a Mangora thrown in. How good's that? It's lovely. It's just lovely and soft. So I thought it might not fit, but I'm going to make it fit. Because I think, well, if it's under my clothes, under my coat in the cold weather, no one's going to see. And I got another jumper, yet again, Marks and Spencer, and this one again is lamb's wool. So this is sort of like a greeny brown colour. It's hard to describe. Lovely Marks and Spencer one. And it's even got the pure new wool symbol on it. So I just like, another lamb's wool jumper. Just trying to find the label, just what does it say. But what I do is, I've got buckets there. One I do tie bleach in it with bits of denim, and the other bucket I use for hand washing, so I leave them to soak overnight. There's my dog barking. I bet my son coming home. So there you go, 2 lamb's wool jumpers, an all cotton sweatshirt, cafetiere, a silly cat ornament, and a cute little box, all for £6. I think that's an absolute bargain. And my tea's ready to go, my girl dinner. Please like, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you soon.